Guys, I know with Pixie's situation, but this morning I went to the our town, and um, before I went home, I saw this woman, a black woman, outside the bakery, and this bakery is he used to, well, he had he support Dominic last year to raise. I had a collecting tin to put into bakery last year, and they raised £60 for Dominic, and that's what some of the money goes to when we went to America. But today I saw this woman. She approaching me and said, like that, you see. And it started raining today, and also raining and snow, and it was really cold. And I, I looked at her, and I was, I melt my heart because it was so cold, you see. So nobody really noticed her outside the bakery. They just keep passing her. So I took her out inside the bakery, and I meant to buy her a cake, but she refused. She wanted a Cornish pasty. The I think the Cornish pasty was £2.35. So I paid, and she said thank you, but and then I paid, and I talked to the counter, the lady who's in the counter. And by the time I finished, while I was talking, she left. So I started talking to the lady in the counter, and I said, by the way, thank you so much. I took my son to America last year to see the consultant, and she was so pleased. And she said, is that the boy who's wheelchair user? And said yes. And he said, I've got something for you. And said, I didn't even expected that they still collecting DOMs pennies, and that. And here I am, here she pouring the the money to this bag. And I was I was so happy that they're still collecting DOMs money. I mean, look at these guys. You know, kind people will always have a surprise in the journey, because I never even expected. I mean, obviously that woman who was who she wanted food. I never even expected that I come back with this coin. So tomorrow I'll take this to the bank to count it how much, and then whatever how much it is, I will have to send the slip to the bakery. And this is the second time they raise money for them, and said yes, we want to help. And this is, I mean, if people can do that, what, I mean, they can see how I tried, and I tried my very best. And some people are arrogant. I mean, what's happened to my daughter today, it's so sad for me too, because my daughter has been bullied because she got a brother who's disabled. It's not Dom's fault, and they even wanted to stop my YouTube. I mean, what attitude is that? All I'm here is to spread awareness and kind to everyone. And these people are just very short-sighted. And again, I believe that kind people will always have something if you're good to others. And this is what I've got. I mean, she was so happy that Dom finally saw the consultant in America. And she said, here you go. Here um, you have to put this into the bank, and we will still collecting any pennies. I mean, look at this. Every penny, it's every penny is important. Dom journey. So I hope everyone can see. Thank you.